Hi, everybody. This is Martin Mesa with Rate One Financial. Welcome back to Mortgage Mind. Today, we're talking about free down payment money. So, for all you guys that may not know, the California Housing Finance Agency has announced that they are going to be issuing another round of down payment money for first-time home buyers in California, where they just give you the money for down payment. There are caps, of course, but the caps are pretty generous. They can give you up to 150,000. That's $150,000, and the money can't exceed 20% of the sales price. So you can put up to 20% of the sales price using this money, and of course, it doesn't can't exceed more than 150,000. So potentially, you could buy, let's say, a $750,000 home with this program and put your entire 20% down payment, which would be 150,000 in this case, from this program, which is great because if you don't know, whenever you put at least 20% down, you avoid having to pay mortgage insurance, which nobody wants to pay because it doesn't really benefit you. It's all for the bank. So California Housing Finance Agency, they said that they've announced it and registration will be open from February 24th through March 16th of 2026. So that's a little over 6 weeks away from now. So just wanted to make this video. If you are interested in finding out if you qualify for this program, please reach out to us and we can try to get you pre-approved. And the way it works is you've got to get pre-approved with the lender, meaning a lender has to look at your credit and your financials to make sure you qualify. And then once you get the pre-approval letter from the lender, which can be us or anybody, then you have to what you have to do is you have to pre-register on their website with all the information that they require. And what happens then is once you're pre-registered, it's gonna be a lottery. They're just gonna randomly pick a certain amount of people to get this program, to be able to take advantage of this program. There's no way to control whether or not you're going to get picked. It's just going to be, from what I understand, just a random lottery. So we'll see how it goes. But, if you're looking to buy a house and you're a first-time home buyer here in California, there are some requirements. So you got to talk to a lender to see if you're eligible. So that's why I'm saying give us a call or give your loan officer a call. But if you are eligible and you want to take advantage of this money, you know, call your loan officer, call us, whoever, and we'll get you pre-approved, and then you can go ahead and pre-register once that site opens. I'm not sure the exact date, but I believe it's sometime in February. And then if you get selected, luckily enough, you'll have up to 90 days to find a property to buy or identify the property you're going to be buying to take advantage of this program. So it's really a great program. There's some cons to it. On the back end, when you wind up selling or refinancing the house, you might have to pay, well, you will have to pay California a portion of the profit you make on the sale. That's kind of the agreement. But, I think it's still a great program for people that either don't have money to put down or maybe have money to put down but don't necessarily want to have it tied up in their property. So anyway, I won't get into more details, but give us a call and we can definitely explain to you, the ins and outs of it, the pros and cons of it, and hopefully get you pre-approved on it if you want to take advantage of it. Or like I said, call your trusted loan officer wherever you happen to live and inquire about it. So anyway, it's the California Housing Finance Agency's Dream for All program. It's good stuff. All right, you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next episode of Mortgage Mind.